Hi guys, and you're again with me, and I decided to make a new video about the strategy based on MACD indicator, and we're going to trade on the pocket option platform. And I've got lots of comments and lots of reviews about the trading with indicators, and some guys really find that useful for themselves, and they sometimes say that really the indicators helped us out, and it's very good. So, and of course I remind you that if you have forgotten about it, that I have an open Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the profile, and there I publish the results of the trading sessions from my private channel, and you can scroll it through, and to make sure that everything is honest, everything is clear, and you can already be the part of this private chat. And you remember, to get into this private chat in Telegram, you just need to come into my Telegram. You'll find the link in the description under this video. Come there, write me the code word private, I will add you there, and you will be the part of this team, and you will face the trading sessions yourself. So also in the description you'll find the link to a channel with their reviews. Of course, it's very important information, I shouldn't forget about it. These reviews from the real people, and they kinda comment about trading signals, that they were useful, that they help them, sometimes help them out, and it is very, it is my pride. I'm very proud of such comments when people really come and tell this, and it's really valuable thing. And I'm really happy if you really come and check it yourself. So guys, I'm waiting for you in my private chat, and of course support me with your subscribing to the channel and put in your like, and let's start. Hi everyone guys, today we will be trading with MACD indicator. You know that this indicator is used to check the power and direction of the trend, and also to determine the pivot points. This is a technical analysis indicator, so we need to use it only with technical analysis. So guys, to start we need to get this indicator. Let's click this button, and you can see a list of indicators, and you need to choose MACD. Here you can see that at the bottom of the chart there is the indicator. It consists of two moving averages of green and red colors. Also you can see a horizontal line with a mark of 0, on both sides of which we can see growing green and red bars. This is indicator accumulation. So what is the signal to open a trade? So the signal is the moment when the moving average of the green color begins to cross the moving average of red color, and preferably when this happens at the extreme point of our indicator, either at the very top or at the very bottom. Also from the horizontal line with 0 mark there must be bars, and every next bar should be longer than the previous one. And when moving averages intersect at the top of our indicator, and from the horizontal line with 0 mark there are red bars down, this will be a signal to open a trade with down. The same about working in the opposite direction. The signal here for an increase will be the moment when the green moving average begins to cross our red moving one from bottom to top. And all this happens in the lower part of our indicator, and this tells us that there is an entry point for an increase, and in the near future the price will also grow. So at this moment along the horizontal line with 0 mark there must be green columns up, and every next column should be higher than the previous one. So this indicator allows you to determine the pivot points and also the direction of the trend. But the tips of this indicator should be used only with the technical analysis, First, you carry out technical analysis, and if everything is okay, we need to open our trade. Just to trust only one indicator without considering the chart, it will be very bad idea. And that's why we usually use them together, and it will give us the best result. Let's find the first citation on the market. So guys, here we can see that from the horizontal line with 0 mark there is a red bar happening down, and also at the upper part of our indicator there is an intersection. The green moving average begins to cross our red moving average from top to bottom. And also on the horizontal line with 0 mark there is a red bar that is longer than the previous one. We also pay attention to the fact that at the moment there is a rollback from the resistance level. So guys, we need to open a trade for 2 minutes with down. In this situation I assume that the rollback will take place down. So guys, let's wait for the end of our trade. Well guys, it's excellent. As you can see, the pullback continued and we're getting our profit. So indicator showed us very good entry point. We need to continue and find something interesting. Well, here we can see that from the horizontal line with zero mark, there are red bars down. And every next bar is longer than the previous one. We also can see that in the upper part of our indicator, there is intersection of our moving averages. And at the moment, the price has gone down to our support level. And in this situation, it would be better to open a trade for 3 minutes with down. I think the price will continue moving to this level, and in this situation 3 minutes will be enough here, because there can be the small flat or maybe a slight roll back up, and after that downward movement will continue. So guys, let's check it. Well, it's not bad, guys. After the roll back up, the downward movement continued and we are getting our profit. Indicator was very good here. So let's continue. Well, here we again can see there's intersection of our moving averages and everything is happening at the upper part of our indicator. And also you can see the support level here. I think that very soon the price will keep on moving to this level. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes but down, because the general trend is for down and we need to wait and see. Well, it's not bad. The price continued moving down and we are getting profit. The indicator showed us very good entry point again, so let's continue. Well, there is intersection of our moving averages, and also from the horizontal line with zero mark you can see the red bars down, and every next bar is longer than the previous one, and you can see the pull back down. So we need to open a trade for 1 minute with down. I think during this time the price will keep on falling down and we will get on the small pullback. So guys, let's check it. Well, I like it, but slowly the price continued moving down and we are getting our profit. 1 minute was enough here, so indicator showed us direction of the trend on the price, so we need to continue. Well, here we can see that our indicator showed us that there is entry point, and also on the chart there is a very good downward movement. And in this situation, let's open a trade for 1 minute with down. I think the price will keep on moving to the support level and 1 minute will be the best here. So guys, let's check it. Well, it's very good. As you can see, the price kept on moving to the support level and we have closed our trade profitable. So this time was enough here. Indicator showed us very good point and we have seen that breakthrough of the level. So guys, let's continue. Well, here's the similar situation. The indicator showing us that there is entry point here. So in this situation, I would like to open a trade for 1 minute with down, because I can see the support level on the chart, and also at this moment there is very good downward movement to our support level. The price will probably keep on moving down, so it will be the best idea to do this way. So let's check. Well, it's excellent, guys. As you can see, the price kept on moving and the indicator showed us very good entry point and 1 minute was enough here. So let's continue and keep on our trading. Well, here we can see that our indicator is showing us there is entry point, and also the chart there is the pullback down. So in this situation it would be better to open a trade with down. I think that for a while the price will continue moving down, and anyway this time will be the best here. Let's check it. Well, it's not bad. The moving down continued and we are getting our profit, and the indicator worked out perfectly. So guys, let's continue. Well, here we can see the resistance level, and also after the pullback the price continues moving to this level. So also pay attention to our indicator. It is telling us that there is entry point for an increase. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes. I think the price will continue moving to the resistance level, and maybe the resistance level will be broken through. We need to check it. Well, it's not bad. The price really continued moving to this level and then broke it through. So we're getting very brilliant profit here. So 2 minutes were enough here. So indicator again has showed us very good entry point. We need to continue. Well guys, pay attention to our indicator again, and it is telling us there is entry point here, and also on the chart there is the support level and the price possibly touch this level. So in this situation, let's open a trade. We're down for 2 minutes. I think that the price will keep on moving to this level and maybe this level will be broken through. So guys, let's check it. Well, it's very good. The price really continued moving down and this level was broken through. We are getting very brilliant profit and 2 minutes were enough here. So indicator showed us very good entry point again. So I like this. Let's continue. Well, here we can see that our indicator is showing us again that there is entry point. So this moment you can see the price is keeping on moving to our level. So guys, let's open a trade with up for 3 minutes. I think the price will continue moving to the resistance level. So let's wait. Well, it's very good. After the small pullback, the upward movement continued and we have closed our trade profitable, and this time was enough here. So indicator has showed us the direction of the trend. So guys, let's continue. Well, here we can see that the price maximum is getting lower and the general trend is for down. And also pay attention to our indicator, it's showing us there is entry point again, so we need to open a trade with down for 3 minutes. So I think that in the near future the price will continue moving to the support level and this time will be the best here. So guys, let's check it. Well, it's not bad. The downward movement continued and we are getting our profit. Indicator worked out perfectly well again. So let's continue. Well, our indicator is showing us there is entry point here. Also, we can see the price is moving to the resistance level. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes with up. I think the price will continue moving to the resistance level. Maybe this level will be broken through. So let's check it. Well, it's not bad. After the small pullback, the upward movement continued and the price slowed down a little, but we have closed our trade profitable and it's the most important thing here. So indicator has showed us very good direction of the trend and let's continue. Well, here we can see the support level. Also, we can see the general trend of the price is for down and the indicator showing us there is entry point, and in this situation it's the best to open a trade with down. I think the price will continue moving to this level, and today we have already seen the situation and worked it well. So let's check it. Well, it's not bad. As you can see, the price really continued moving down and we are getting our profit. So indicator has showed us very good entry point. I like it and I want to continue. Well, here we can see that at this moment the indicator showing us there's entry point, and also the chart after the uptrend there is a small pullback down. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes with down. I think that in the near future the correction will still continue and there can be a small pullback down, and this time will be the best here. So guys, let's check it. Well, it's excellent. Really, the correction happened and the small pullback down, and we had time and closed our trade profitable, and this time was enough here. So guys, let's continue and find the last trade for today. So here we can see the support level, and also we can see that the general trend of the trend is for down and the price maximum is getting lower. And also pay attention to our indicator, it's telling us that we should expect them moving down. So in this situation, let's open trade for 5 minutes but down, because the price has been moving quite slowly and we need to open a trade for 5 minutes with the reserve. And also if you pay attention to our indicator, we will see that the red columns down are small and the accumulation is not so strong. So the moving down will take some time and we need these 5 minutes with the reserve, and let's check it. Well guys, as you can see, the small flight really took some time, and only after that the downward movement continued, and we are getting our profit in 5 minutes. Were very necessary here. So indicator showed us not only the direction of the movement and also the power of the direction down, and we have opened our trade for 5 minutes because in this situation 3 minutes wouldn't be enough, and thanks to 5 minutes we're getting the very brilliant profit. So our deposit is already $3,000, and I think it's high time to complete our trading. All the citations were profitable, and also our indicator has showed us very good entry points, and you can use this indicator with technical analysis only. Only correct using of both of them will give you the best result, and also you shouldn't trust only the indicator completely. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it useful for yourself, and this indicator MACD will be the part of your trading strategy too. So, and of course, I'm waiting for you in my private chat in Telegram. You'll find the link in the description under this video. You just need to come to my Telegram and write me the code word private, and I will add you there, and we will be trading together. So guys, subscribe to the channel, put your like and write a comment, ask any questions, write a question in the comment under this video as in the chat, and I mean Telegram chat. Don't forget about the Telegram channel with the reviews from real people about this private chat, and you will see, you'll face yourself that everything is very clear and honest, and you have a chance to try yourself. Maybe it will be the most valuable thing in your day today. Why not? So guys, see you next time.